The wheels actually, test to see if the wheel's straight or not. I think we can safely say that's got a bit of a wander in it, they might say. I've never seen one that bad.
Poor Vern.
Look at that for a bend. Corker.
See, they don't look that bent when you look at them head on.
Let me assure you, madam. Where's your 10mm spanners? You've hoarded
They're
them.
in here.
Badly, unfortunately. I'm assembling the balls on one of the races, but we've lost one. So.
Well, Dad lost one.
Vernon's lost a ball.
Throw it in.
Just putting the bottom yoke in now, without trying to lose any ball bearings. Putting the top race on, once again without losing any bearings. I've lost my nut now. There it is. Grease. Yes, hopefully I'm just going to, as soon as I've got this on, I can give it a quick twirl and see what it is like. Look at that. Like an RC45 front end. At the top, there, that's bent. The whole thing's bent out of centre. That's more or less level, but that one's well down.
I did a good job trying to kill him.
Oh, yeah. I've just got to go and find some bolts now. Well, the forks are in, the yokes are in. I've just straightened the indicators because they were a bit Browns and list. The clocks have got to be fit on properly yet. I'm just basically assembling it all, and then I'll tighten everything up. So we're about, oh, I've got to change the front tyre, so we're probably an hour away yet.